7.4, example 4, part B. So we are being asked to simplify a complex fraction again. So we will do the same thing that we did in the other example. We will rewrite 6 over x minus 2, and this whole quantity sticks together right now, divided by 1 over x minus 2 plus 3 over x. Same thing that we did on the previous problem. Again, we need to, on the right side, and this doesn't always occur on the right side, it just happens to on these particular problems, find a common denominator and then add it together, which again is what we did in the previous problem. So we have 1 over x minus 2. We're trying to add that to 3 over x. Fractions need to have a common denominator in order to add them. So this whole quantity sticks together, and then you have the x over here. So this is x minus 2, this is x. On the left-hand side, you're missing the x. So what you multiply by the bottom, you have to multiply by on the top. On the right-hand side, we are missing the x minus 2. So we have to multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 2. So now let's put this together. Again, we have x times 1, which gives us x. And then we have 3 times x minus 2. This is all over x times x minus 2. I'm going to distribute the 3. So I have x plus 3x minus 6 over x times x minus 2. I'm going to simplify this some more, put my like terms together. So I have 4x minus 6 over x times x minus 2. So this expression here is taking the place of what we had on the right-hand side. So now what we're going to do is we are going to substitute this back in for this in the division. So we have 6 over x minus 2 divided by 4x minus 6, x minus 2. We are going to change the division problem to a multiplication problem by flipping this expression on the right. So we have 6 over x minus 2 times x times x minus 2. This is all over 4x minus 6. So in the previous problem, we kind of smushed everything together. So we have 6 times x minus 2. On the bottom, we have x minus 2 times 4x minus 6. We have the x minus 2 that's in common both top and the bottom, so that can cancel. So now we have 6x on the top, 4x minus 6 on the bottom. We'll look at the terms. Is there anything that they have in common that we can factor out of all 3 terms? 6, 4, and 6 are all divisible by 2. So if we divide the top by 2, take a 2 out, we have 3x. The bottom, we take a 2 out, we have 2x minus 3. So that cancels. So then what we have left, 3x over 2x minus 3. There's nothing that we can take out of the 3, the 2, or the 3. So this is our final answer.